Yeah, hi Vidisha.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine.
How was your day?
It was good.
That's good. So, what did you do in school today?
I had my chemistry lecture, but I couldn't understand anything she was teaching, and that's why I told my mom, and she booked this session with me.
Yes, I could see that you have booked a session and specifically you want to know more about carbon. Am I
Yes,
right?
yes, because that was the lecture she took today.
Uh, Can what we'll do, Vidisha, is that we will try to first understand from you what you have learnt in class, and then after that we'll walk together and try to understand more about this. Is that okay with you?
Yes, that's fine. All I could understand what she explained me was that carbon is an element and it is used in a lot of industries, in a lot of places as sometimes as fuels and yeah, that's it. There were a lot of formulas which she gave, but I didn't understand anything.
Okay, not to worry, but I can see that you picked up quite a bit and that too in your first period. That's nice,
Okay.
but let's do this. We shall study in a little more detail, and probably there is one area where we'll talk about, and that is the allotropes of carbon. Okay,
Okay.
right now you might not know this term allotropes.
Yes, I don't know.
Okay, we'll go through that as well. So now coming back to what you had told me about carbon, there is something I'd like to let you know. They say that carbon is the king of elements. Can you tell me why?
No.
Give a guess, any wild guesses. Why do you think they could be calling it the king of elements?
Because it is most widely used.
Probably you're very close, you're quite warm there, but I'll help you out there. What I can tell you is look around you.
Hmm.
Probably the chair which you're sitting on, what is it made of?
It's made of plastic.
Okay, and the table on which you have put your computer or laptop, what is the table made
It's
of?
made of wood.
Okay, and even if you look around you, there will be many articles which are made of wood or plastic,
Yes.
and you will be surprised to know that each and every one of this contains carbon.
Oh.
Yes. So that's the reason why it's known as the king of elements, because
Okay.
it's found in almost all kinds of compounds, all kinds of chemicals. And not only that, our bodies, we ourselves are made up of carbon.
Is it?
Yes.
Oh.
So we contain, I mean, contain a lot, our bodies contain a lot of carbon, and they are not the ordinary elemental carbon as we understand it, but there is a unique property of carbon that it can form chains. It can link with itself and form chains. And you might have heard the word hydrocarbons.
Yes, I've heard.
Okay, but we'll get into that later because I wanted to take this topic of allotropy with you. I'll just brief you a little bit on the atomic number and the elemental properties of carbon. Now tell me, did the teacher tell you what is the atomic number of carbon? Do you remember?
But I don't remember. She did speak about it, but I really
Okay.
don't remember.
Okay, no problem. I'll just let you know. It's 6. The atomic number is 6.
Okay.
And the atomic weight is 12. But you can have an atomic weight of 12, 13 and 14.
Okay.
The reason being that carbon exists as isotopes. Probably you might have heard of this term before. Have you heard of isotopes?
Yeah, I had read it in my book.
Mhm. Can you explain to me what this term
No,
means to
I
you?
don't remember.
Okay, I'll just refresh you on that one as well. Isotopes, as